Hey, what's up? It's Squeaks. Week 1 of the SCA. I'm playing against Krampe, whatever it's supposed to be. It's probably Krampe. He's got a pretty rain-centered team with Terra Captains, Floatzel, and Crawdaunts. Looking like it's going to be a pretty fun match. Let's just get into it. Let's go. Good luck, have fun. Okay. Crocodile, Thunderous, Craighead. Okay, but no Floatzel. Interesting. Do I want to lead by setting up rocks, or do I want to lead Choice Scarf Flamigo? I think I'm going to lead Flamigo. Well, maybe not. Hang on. Wait. Or do I want to lead Grimmsnarl? What would he lead if I did lead Grimmsnarl? You know what, I'm going to lead Flamigo. I don't know why I didn't think about setting up dual screens right away, but I maybe should have. That's a nice Magikarp in the background. Okay. Oh, this is not good. Oh, that is not a good lead. I've got Choice Scarf Flamigo. Close combat's gonna do numbers against pretty much everything except like Darkspawn and Uxie and Thunderous and Skarmory. But mostly just brought it to take out Crocodile. Crocodile, if it's Choice Scarfed, it'll be faster, but if not, this could be cool. And I brought Copycat, just see if I could end up accidentally picking up a super effective move against something. Just seemed like it would be cool tech. Uh-oh. Dude, my computer's conking out again. Let's go. It'll be faster, so maybe I should just switch. I've got Iron Treads with Volt Switch, Stealth Rock, Heavy Slam, Rapid Spin. Mostly just here for the Stealth Rocks and Rapid Spin. I've got Heavy Slam for like the Darkspawn or the Cryogonal. Volt Switch just to get me out of sticky situations. And then agilities. Okay. That's not great. Okay. Well, it's not choiced. And it landed a Focus Blast. And I'm dead. Cool. Is that game already? Probably not. Oh, it wasn't smart though. Got Grimmsnarl, dual screens, and Throat Chop. I didn't really feel like I needed a fairy move. He doesn't really have anything weak to fairy, except the Crocodile and Terra Fighting Floatzel. But, I mean, I could pretty well shut down the Uxie. I can hit Bramble Gas pretty hard with Throat Chop. And I think Politoed gets a few sound-based moves, so that could help also. Okay, I'll just parting shot into Trigalgy. Just to make it even weaker. Can tell I'm playing with a new team, I guess. Then I got Trigalgy with an assault vest. Just really thought I needed something more specially defensive because I didn't really seem to have all that much. Flip turn for a nice slow pivot. I got Sludge Bomb. It's good for the Dox Bun and pretty decent for Bramblegast. It's mostly just good neutral coverage on most. Draco Meteor. Again, just for a nice neutral hit on everything except Dox Bun, but then it has Sludge Bomb. And Thunderbolt because my other two moves really don't hit Skarmory like at all, hardly. Hey, there he is. He's double dance. Did he bring a... No. I'm just gonna drop Draco then. Right? I mean, yeah. Right? Yeah. I at least forced him to swap, so that's nice. Cryogonal. Did half. Okay, so this thing's got like no amount of like HP investment or anything. Should I just flip turn? Would I? I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna flip turn. Wonder what his Terra type's gonna be. Steel, maybe? Is that what he had? Steel. Ancient power? He's going for ancient power boosts? Okay. It's Terra Steel. Honestly, I think I can kill with a Shadow Ball. Spectre with an Absorb Bulb. Hoping to take one water type hit. Agility up just in case he has like a Choice Scarfer. Swift Swim Floatzel can't outspeed me if I have double speed. Also, if Blaziken has any speed boosts up, can take advantage of that too. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's in a range. Yes. It's one kill. We didn't get 6-0. Dang. Spectre got some long hair. And backwards hooves. What are they going to swap into this though? Like, they need to put Palafin in at some point. Or else it's going to be stuck in baby form. Crocodile, okay. If it's Choice Scarf, I for sure die, so let's not let that happen. Yeah. He hasn't showed me a Scarfmon yet, so. Man, yeah, okay, and I'm immune to that too, so. That makes me think this is not choiced. Oh, well, maybe. Well, I mean, what would it do anyway? So it probably is. Polytoad. Does Polytoad get, like, Brick Break? Polytoad. It does. Earth Power. Well, I didn't see that coming. Okay. Whew. That did more than I thought it was going to, that's for sure. Might as well. I might not kill, but I think this is fine. There we go, I crit hit. That might have mattered, I really don't know. Probably did. Oops. Okay, so this is just gonna jet punch me for sure. Don't wanna let Spectre go down. Whenever I can just swap in this for free. Not really. I don't really want to let Spectre go down like that. +2 boost or not. Max special attack, 244 HP, 12 speed Volcanion. 12 speed's just to outspeed something like the same speed stat that Volcanion has. He's got a lot of physical attackers, so I might be able to get a few burns off. It'll also be boosted by the rain if he does bring rain. Flamethrower really hurts the Cryogonal and really hurts the Skarmory and Bramblegast. And then I've got Scorching Sands, so literally all of my moves have a chance to burn, so maybe we'll get one. I mean, I think I just clicked Steam Eruption. I don't think anything wants to take a rain boosted Steam Eruption. So let's say, I mean, he's going to switch out, so. Oh. Yo. Dude, I'm sorry. That's rough, man. I was not expecting to crit there. I really didn't feel like I needed it. Man. Wait, I've still got to reflect up, don't I? For 2 more turns, and I have rain up for 2 turns. Hang on. This thing can't take me out. It's not loaded dice, at least I know that. I wonder if it's focus dash. Yeah. Okay. Oh, but I got a burn. Oh my gosh, this is the luckiest match ever. I'm so sorry. Well, I did say I was putting a lot of burn moves on Volcano, so dude. Oh man. That's really rough. Dude. I mean, I still had the reflect up for another turn. I think I would have killed Crocodile anyway, to be fair, but okay, well, at least he gets that. Man, that sucks. I think I just clicked Sludge Bomb. That's okay. And I got a poison. Are you joking? Dude, I better get full parried here. I'm never gonna hear the end of this game. Hey, there's that at least. But now, I mean, I can just sit here and he's just gonna slowly die. And he missed Thunder. Dude, this is... Oh my gosh. Man, I'm sorry. I was not expecting this to be so, just hacks-centered. And you still got Palafin, so that's something. Sludge Bomb and Thunderbolt do about the same. And I figure he's got like Zen Headbutt or something. So I am not sure which one of these I want to click right now. I'll just click Sludge Bomb. Got Ice Punch. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. So Volcano walls it pretty hard. Probably. But I also don't have that many moves I can hit it with in return. So I might just... reflect Parting Shot. Oh, they didn't get a freeze at least, so that's something. As much as I want to say Dem Flamigo, I think this is definitely the safer play. I think I just clicked Steam Eruption. And I get a burn. Of course I get a burn. Dude, what is going on? Steam Eruption has a 30% chance to burn. Not 100. No, I'm surprised I didn't just critical hit. Dude, I think I got some kind of something on each of his Pokemon. And he didn't even get a freeze. Not that it would have mattered, but still. GG, man, I'm sorry that it went like that. That was just really unfortunate. Maybe I still would have won, but it definitely wouldn't have been that bad, because that was terrible.